of solutions of linear equation in two variables are: first is substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. In this module, you will learn the substitution method. So as per the name of this method, substitution method, so what we have to do in this method, we have to substitute the value of one variable from first equation to the second equation or vice versa. So I'll give you brief information about substitution method. So you have two choices. First, when value of x is substituted. That means if you want to substitute the value of x from one equation to other, what procedure you have to take? And if you want to substitute the value of y from one equation to other, you have to follow second concept. So I am giving you example. We are knowing simultaneous equations in two variables are written in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So I took one example. Suppose we have equation 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. If I want to take the value of x from equation 1 and I want to substitute in equation number 2. So we have to convert the first equation in this form. As you are seeing here, this is a form of this form. You have to just convert in this form. Okay. If you want to substitute the value of y, same equation as you are seeing here, 2x plus 4 is equals to 3. So I'll give you the detailed information about this, but you have to think about, if you want to substitute the value of x, you have to form the equation in this form, or if you want to substitute the value of y, you have to form the equation in this form. So here I have taken some questions. So I'll give you the concept and method of solution, that is called substitution method, to solve the linear equations in two variables. So you can see here I have taken almost 20 questions. So I'll give you the solution of some questions which is written by me here. So this is the question number 1. As you are seeing, x plus y is equal to 7 and second equation is 2x minus y equal to 5. So I want to write the equation x plus y equals to 7. This is our first equation, and second equation is 2x minus y is equals to 5. This is our second equation. I want to give you some basic ideas, some basic strategies, so that this method will be easy for you. While choosing the first equation, you have to think in which equation the value of y can be taken easily or value of x can be taken easily. So in first equation, I'm seeing from equation number 1, what I'm seeing, x plus y equal to 7. So here x and y both are in the same pattern, so you can take any value. I'm taking y equal to 7 minus x. So I'm giving this is third equation. So the meaning of substitution, that means I will substitute this y in equation number 2. It should be remembered by you very clearly. If you took the value of one variable from first equation, you cannot replace the value in same equation. You have to change the equation. So y equal to, what is written as y equal to 7 minus x, I'll put in equation number 2. So here see, I'll give you. So here what was the equation? Equation I have written y equal to 7 minus x. 7 minus x. So it was the third equation as I written in earlier page, and second equation I'm writing equation number 2. Equation number 2 is 2x minus y equal to 5. So here I'll keep the value of y. So y is 7 minus x is equal to 5. I hope you are seeing here. This is the value of y. I'm keeping here in this value. So 2x minus 7 plus x equal to 5. 2x plus x, what would come? 3x is equal to 5 plus 7. So I'm getting 3x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 upon 3. Then we get the value of x is, we found one value of unknown, that is called x. So now we can put the value in equation number 3. So here we can see equation number 3. What was the equation 3? Equation 3 was y equal to 7 minus x. So I can take the value of x was 4. So the value of y will be 3. So solution of the system is, solution is x equal to 4 and y equal to 3. This is the solution of this linear equation, the pair of linear equation in two variables by substitution method. Okay, so I'll take second question so that you will understand nicely. Here I have written equation 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 8, and this is our first equation, and second equation x minus y equal to 1. This is our second equation. Okay, so now what I'm finding that value of y can be taken from equation number 2 easily as compared to equation number 1, because in equation number 1 what we are finding here, the coefficient of x is not 1 and coefficient of y is also not 1. If we are finding any equation having coefficient 1, that will be easy for us to try to take that equation. Okay, so I am taking from equation number 2. First I am using equation number 2. As I explained you earlier that you can choose any equation, but it should be remembered by you. You must take care of the things that calculation must be easy and simple. So equation number 2 is x minus y equals to 1. So I want to take the value of x from here. We can take the value of x or value of y as per our choice. So I'm taking x is equals to y plus 1. This is our third equation. Okay, so now I want to put the value of x in equation number 1. Okay, so here I'll take, so what was the value of x? The value of x was x equal to y plus 1. It was our third equation. Now from equation number 1, equation 1 is 2x plus 3y equal to minus 8. Okay, so here we will put 2 in the place of x. We will put y plus 1 and plus 3y equal to minus 8. So this is 2y plus 1, sorry, 2y plus 2, because bracket will open. So here this is 2 only, 2y plus 2, then 3y equals to minus 8. I hope you understood. So here what we will find, 5y. See what would come, 2y plus 3y, 5y is equals to minus 8 and minus 2. I'll send this plus 2 this side. So 5y is equal to minus 10. So y equals to minus 2. We found the value of y is minus 2. So as per our convenience, we can use any equations. I'm using equation number 2. What was the equation number 2? X minus y equal to 1. It is written in front of you still here. And I found the value of, what was the value of y? I found the value of y is minus 2. See here, minus 2. So I'll keep this value of y here. Minus 2 is equals to 1. So here x, this is minus and minus plus 2 is equals to 1. Then I found x is equals to 1 minus 2. So value of x is equals to minus 1. Sometimes suppose you are having some confusion that my answer is correct or not, so you can you can check your answer whether it is correct or not. So for this, what will you do? You will take any equation. So I'm taking from equation. This is the checking only, optional, not compulsory, and for your satisfaction. 2 into what is the value of x? This is -1. And what is the value of y? This is -2. And this result should be -8. So -2, -6. So what we are finding? -8 equal to -8. It says our answer are correct. So now this is the question number 3. We'll see the 3x minus 4y equal to 10. This is our first equation. And this 4x plus 3y equal to 5. This is our second equation. We are observing, my dear students, both the equations are almost in same pattern, so we can choose any equation. Okay, here we are not finding any equation. In that equation we are not finding any coefficient that is equal to 1. So here both the equations are almost of the same pattern. So what we'll do from any one of the equations. Again, I'm taking from equation number 2. Try to deal with the positive sign, because the negative sign create the that means it creates a problem. So try to deal with the positive sign first, so it will be easy for you. So what I want to do here, I'm taking second equation 4x plus 3y equal to 5. I want to take the value of y. As I explain you once again, I want to explain once again, sorry, that you can use any variable, that means you can substitute any variable as per your choice. Here I chose y. In previous question I chose x, and that previous to that question I chose again y. It is up to you as per your convenience, and second thing, your calculation capabilities. Okay, so I took y is equals to 5 minus 4x upon 3. So I'll use from equation number 1. So I hope you are seeing equation number 1 here. This is the equation number 1. So 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. So here 3 and this 4 same. In the place of y, what we have to do? 5 minus 4x upon 3 is equal to 10. I'll write the same equation in same next page, so that we'll try to learn. So y equal to, try to keep in mind, that means, so I'll use, so here the equation was 4x plus 3y, sorry, first equation I have taken this, wait, I have taken second equation we have to use. So equation was 3x minus 4y is equals to 10. Here we have to keep the value, that value from equation. So 4, what did I took? 5 minus 4x upon 3 is equal to 10. I hope you understood. I want to show you the equation number 3. Equation was there in previous page. If you want to see once again, this is the equation number 3. Y equal to 5 minus 4x upon 3. I have to keep this value in equation number 1. Okay, first equation is 3x minus 4y equal to 10. So I have taken here, but I want to write in next page, so I have written there. Okay, so I have written here also once again. This is 3x and I'll open the bracket, but first I want to get multiplication. So 20 minus 16x upon 3 is equal to 10. So I'll take the LCM. LCM will be 3. So 3 3s are 9x minus 20 and plus 16x equal to 10. Okay, equal to 10. So this is 10. Then what would come? 9 plus 16. So what would come? 25x minus 20 is equal to 30. See, this 3 multiplied by 10. 25x is equal to 30 plus 20. So 25x is equal to 50. So x equal to 2. We found the value of x as 2. So now we want to find out the value of y. As I took the equation number 3 from equation 3, third equation was y equal to 5 minus 4x upon 3. And I found the value of x is equals to 2. So here I'll keep 4 into 2 upon 3. Then y equal to 5 minus 8 upon 3. Then what will come? The y equal to minus 3 upon 3. So y will be minus 1. So solution of this will be x is equals to 2 and y equal to minus 1. I hope you understood this much. So hope so you are understanding what's the concept of substitution method. So here I took one more question. So see, the question number of question is written in the sheet. As per the sheet, I am taking the numbers. This is the 11th number question. So here x upon 10 plus y upon 5 is equals to 14. This is our first equation. Second, x upon 8 plus y upon 6 equals to 15. So many students are facing the problem while solving the rational number. So I want to remove first rational number. I am giving you from equation number 1. Equation number 1 is x upon 10 plus y upon 5 is equals to 14. So here what we can see, the LCM of 10 and 5 will be 10 only. So this x plus 2y equals to 14. So our equation will be x plus 2y equal to 140. Now we can give this is the third equation. Okay. Number of the equation we can give anyone, no problem. So now I am taking from equation number 2. Equation number 2 means x upon 8 plus y upon 6 is equal to 15. Again, what will be the LCM? 6 and 8. LCM will be 24. 8 3 are 24. 6 4 are 24. Equal to 15. So we got equation 3x plus 4y and equal to multiplication of 15 and 24 will be equal to 360. So this is the fourth equation. Now I'll use the equation number 3 and 4 for this solution to third equation was x plus 2y equal to 140. This is the third equation as I have found. And here I found 3x plus 4y equal to 360. This is the fourth equation. Okay, you can check them if you want to see. This is the x plus 2y equal to 140 and 3x plus 4y is equals to 360. Okay, so now we will use from one of the equations. So I am using from equation number 3. So here easy to find out x plus 2y equal to 140. So I am using the value of x. I am finding the value of x in terms of value of y. So I wrote x is equal to 140 minus 2y. We can give the name of this equation as fifth equation. So now I'll put the value of x in equation number 4. So see here, I'll put the value in equation number 4. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 360. This is our fourth equation. I'll use here 3 in the place of x, 140 minus 2y and plus 4y equal to 360. Then after that, what will you do? 14 3 ja 42. That means 420. 14 3 ja 42. So this will be 420 minus 6y plus 4y equal to 360. So 6y minus 4y, what would come? 2y is equal to 360 minus 420. Minus 2y equal to, this is 360 minus 420. What would come? This will be minus 60. So we get the value minus minus cancel. So y equal to 30. This is the value of y. Okay. So this value of y we can keep in equation number 1, 2 or 3, 4. Out of any one of the equation you can take, or if you want to go directly from fifth equation also you can do. I am writing from equation number 5. Equation number 5 was, what was the equation number 5? So it is x is equal to 140 minus 2y. X is equals to 140 minus 2y. 2y. So here I found the value of y. Already I found the value of y was 30. You can see, if you want to see, this is y equal to 30 here I found. And so it will be 140 minus 60. Then it would be 140 minus 60. What would come? What would come? 80. Very nice. This is 80. So solution of the system of equations is x equal to 80 and y equal to, I hope you understood nicely, and if you want to check them you can check over there. It will be easy to understand and easy to understand. And so next question, the same question, it is written here on also the same question, because I have taken, so what is the answer here? I want to declare the answer here. X is equals to 80 and y equal to 30. Okay, I want to give the checking. See, x upon 10 plus y upon 5 should be equal to 14. The value of x is 80 upon 10, value of y is 30 upon 5 equal to 14. So here it will be 8 and here it will be 6. I hope you understood. 14 equal to 14. This is the verification of the solution also. Okay, you can verify from the second equation also. It is up to you only. So now the next question is, this is this question in the form of algebra. That means numeric numbers are not there. So I want to give you the concept of algebraic solution also. That means algebraic solution. That means almost all the things will be in the form of algebra. So here, this is first equation, and x plus y equal to 2ab. This is our second equation. So as per your convenience, again I want to tell you that you can use first equation or second equation, but here I'll use the second equation because it is given in the easy form. So I'm writing y from equation number 2. Equation number 2, x plus y equal to 2ab. So you can find value of y, 2ab minus x. Okay, so here you can give, this is the third equation. I'll put the value of y in equation number 1 because I have taken the value of y from equation number 2. So I'll use from equation number 1. Equation 1 is b upon ax plus a upon b. A upon b. A upon b y equal to a square plus b square. And I have found the value of y. What is the value of y? 2ab minus x. I want to show you it. See, it is written here y equal to 2ab minus x. Okay, so I have written here 2ab minus x is equal to a square plus b square. B upon ax plus, if I'll multiply this, so what would come? 2a square b upon b minus a upon b x is equal to a square plus b square. Here we can cancel this b by this b. This b will cancel. So what would come? 2a square only. So equation will be remaining b upon ax plus 2a square minus a upon bx equal to a square plus b square. I am finding this b upon ax minus a upon bx. Okay, these the terms of x, that means coefficient of x here b upon a and here minus a upon b. And here a square plus b square minus this is 2a square. I am sending this 2a square to right hand side. Here we can take LCM. So LCM will be a and b, and we will find b square minus a square, and I took x common. So here also b square minus a square. What we are finding? B square and 2a square negative and a square positive. So what would come? B square minus a square. This is x upon ab is equal to b square minus a square. So we will find the value of x is b square minus a square into ab or upon b square minus a square. So this is cancel. Then x equal to ab is the answer. Okay. So I found the x is equal to ab the answer. So from equation number 3rd, as I took equation number 3rd was there y equal to 2ab minus x. I found the value of x is ab. So here again you will find y is also ab. So x equal to ab and y equal to ab. These are the solution of this type of algebraic coefficients. That means in this what we are finding? Algebraic coefficients of x and y. Okay. So next question. So here I want to give again the verification. So I want to, what we found, x is equals to ab. Okay. Again I am giving you verification because verification is not means compulsory, but I want to give so that you will be understanding nicely. That means anytime you can verify your answer. So from equation 1 I'll verify because it is looking somewhat difficult for you only. B upon ax, a upon by equal to a square plus b square. So what we are finding? B upon a, value of ab is x is ab, a upon b it is also ab equal to a square plus b square. A cancel, here b cancel. So what we are finding? B square plus a square equal to a square plus. Verified. So our answer is correct. Absolutely correct. I hope, and dear students, you understood nicely